Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and this is joehouse.com. So today I'll be guiding you through on how to sign up on Google Keyword Planner and how to use Google Keyword Planner too. Google Keyword Planner is a free and helpful tool if you want to do your keyword research. It's a free keyword research tool being designed by Google to help the advertisers. So if you want to sign up, you need to first of all sign up on Google AdWords, that's Google Ads, before you can be able to use that great tool. So it's a free tool. So I will be guiding you through on how to use that tool. And if you are yet to subscribe to my channel, do it to hit the subscription button down below and the bell notification button close to it to get notified anytime I post an awesome video like this. Let's move over to my screen and get started. Welcome back. So this is Google Ads, Google Keyword Planner. So I'll be dropping the link of this site on the description box below, or you can go to your Google search and search for Google Keyword Planner. Google Keyword Planner. So once you search for Google Keyword Planner, okay, you see this is the Google Keyword Planner. This is Google ads.google.com. You see it. So this is same as this. So you can just click on the link on the description box below and it will direct you to this site. Then if you have not signed up on this is a detailed video on how to sign up and use Google Keyword Planner. So you go to Google Keyword Planner, then it will direct you to where you can sign up on Google. And if you have not signed up before, that means you need to click on sign up. Once you have a Gmail account, it will automatically sign you up on Google. So once you sign up, then you confirm your billing information. This Nigeria, this. So once you confirm your billing information, just you click on submit. Then explore keyword. Congrats, you are done. The step is very simple and easy. So what you need to do is just to explore keyword. When you click on explore keyword, it will direct you straight to where you can utilize this keyword planner to do your keyword research. As you can see, as this is the first time of me using this particular page, it's showing me this. So this is the Google Keyword Planner. This is here we are. So if you want to, there are two things you can do. You can discover new keyword, or you can get search volume and forecast. So let's use these two one after the other. So let's go to discover new keyword. Then we click on discover new keyword. You can put in the keyword here, or you can put in your site. You can just enter your site URL and it will fetch some keywords that are related to your site, or you can just search the keyword. Let's search weight loss. You can add as many keywords as you want, so you can add up to 5 keywords here. So let's get the result of this one, only this weight loss keyword. So once you search this, these are the results. This weight loss, these are the monthly search. As you can see, it has from 1,000 to 10,000 people searching for this on Google. Then 3 months change is 0. Then you have the competition. The major information or stats we'll be looking at are the monthly search, then the competition. The competition is medium. This is a very high keyword. The competition is medium. If you have a new blog writing on weight loss, for you to rank on this particular keyword will be difficult for you. So you'll be targeting keywords, long-term keywords that their competition are very low. You can easily rank on those keywords. So you can even, if you move your mouse towards that, you can see a detailed information about any tab that you don't know about. So you can read all this and still get more insight about that. Then you can see the add impression share. For this particular keyword, there's no add impression share. Then top 10 page bid for this particular keyword, you can see 0.05. Then the top, this information is for people that wants to run ad. If you want to run ad, this information are for you. So once you are done, you can see other related keywords. There are other related keywords for this particular weight loss. So there are so many other related keywords, 7 days diet, blah 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 stuff. So you can, if you want to know more about the keyword, you can just highlight that keyword and see that the competition here is low, but the search volume is still low, 100 to 1000 k average monthly search. This is the average monthly search for this particular keyword. So you can, let's, you can still go down and be looking at the monthly search. The major parameter here is the monthly search and the competition. You need to find the one that has high monthly search, not that high, then the competition is low. Then once you get that, you are good to go. You can use that and go and write your what, your blog post. As you can see, the location here is Nigeria. If you want, you can still change that to the larger audience. You can cancel this and change that to the world. You can enter the location that you want. Let me remove Nigeria and save this. If you want to target all location, you remove this and you can target all location. So let's see, check for that weight loss again. As you can see, this weight loss has 100k to 1 million search volume and the competition is high if you are targeting all location. So this is how to discover new keyword idea. Then you can go to focus. You can go to focus and also do somewhat. You can add keywords, search for keyword. Let's search for football. Let's put sports. Then you can save all this. You can save this. Select add group. Okay, there's no. Okay, let me select an add group. Let me put sports. You can create an add group, and so once you create an add group, you can now save this. It will automatically add this to your focus. So you can see this automatically generates this a this generates a plan for you, so you can see the information on focus about this particular keyword that I entered. So you can use this to run ad. This is for people that plan to run ad. So you can, as you can see, these are our saved keywords. These are our saved keyword. So but let me go back to my keyword idea. So I can, let me exclude this and search for another. Let's do another search. So you can search for another this, or let's use a website. Let's use facebook.com. So you can search for Facebook or any website and see the information, the related keyword or keyword that people are using. So this is Facebook. So what location? This is all location. Then this is English. This is Google. So you can change this to Google partners like Bing and all that. Then you can change location, the time frame. So these are things that you can do. These are how you can be able to use Google Keyword Planner to search for keywords. So thanks for watching this video, and if you are yet to subscribe to my channel, please do well to hit the subscription button down below and the bell notification button close to it to get notified anytime that I produce an awesome video like this.